What's going on, everybody? Pat's Cosplay here, and today we're going to be opening the Young Justice Nightwing suit from ZentaiZone. And before we get started, if you want to get your own Nightwing suit, use the link in the description, and at checkout, use discount code Pat's Cosplay to save yourself 15% off your entire order. It's time to be whelmed. Let's open this bad boy up. Ooh, it's so simple. Get away! But so unique. Oh yeah. Yeah, look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh man, it's so good. Oh, I love it. So I got this pattern from Gunhead Designs. It is not on ZentaiZone's website, so you will have to go through a third-party site, which is their website, the Gunhead Designs, purchase the digital pattern, bring it over to ZentaiZone, and then cue in the URL that is with the pattern so that they have the file to print onto the suits. I really need to try this guy on. That's so nice. I love the shading. This is wicked. I like this suit so much. I am whelmed. I am overwhelmed. Alright, so I got this suit from ZentaiZone.com. I went ahead with just the default fabric along with just the straight zipper back, because again, there's not much detail on the back, it's just the shading. So really, having that line down the middle will not affect the photos in any way. So again, I got no shoes inside the suit. I do that with all of my suits because one, it saves on shipping costs, and number two, it is a lot easier to clean. I have a video, I'll kind of do like a little shortcut thing here where I show you exactly how to clean one of these suits, because yes, they do collect sweat. They are spandex. They will absorb all of the sweat, and if you don't wash them very often, you will be that guy at the con that go, I don't want that. So check out that video, save yourself that little embarrassing moment, and you feel more confident when you're wearing something that is clean and makes you look good. But yeah, this suit I got for $90. Shipping was, in total, I got 4 costumes at the time, so the whole shipping was $20. And then border fees for all 4 suits were $15. So if you break that down between 4 suits, shipping and border fees were about $7.50. Not that much money, and it came relatively quickly within like a week around Christmas time, so phenomenal. But yeah, what do you guys think of the suit? I think it fits very well. I do have to lose a little bit of weight for my own reasons, but other than that, it fits well. Shows off the muscles in the right areas. This part is actually on the elbow, which is nice. It's supposed to be like a padding thing, and same thing with these guys. It's really cool. I like it. As always, thank you guys for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, leave this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next week with a new video. I wonder if they were whelmed. Think they were whelmed? Whelmed.